guys, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me sharing with you all just 5, I guess, healthier gel alternatives in comparison to EcoSolor gel. I'm sure you guys have been hearing about like the rage of finding out the ingredients that are in EcoSolor gel and people like banning it and just saying that they are not here for it anymore. They're canceling it and they just want no parts with EcoSolor gel. So if you are one of the people out there who have pretty much canceled EcoSolor gel, I wanted to go ahead and share with you all some alternatives that have healthier ingredients. I won't say it's the healthiest because honestly, you can find something bad with practically any ingredient, whether it be considered healthy or not. So I won't say it's the healthiest ingredients, but these products are much more natural. Before we get started though, I did want to go ahead and share my super quick opinion about EcoSolor gel and if I will keep using it or if I am canceling it. No, I'm not canceling it. I have done my research for myself and personally, I do not feel like it is bad for my hair. I don't feel like it will kill me. I don't feel like it will cause cancer. I don't feel any kind of way about it. Honestly, I've known that it's not the most healthiest gel out there. I know it's not, super natural and things like that, but I've known that for a while and I still continue to use it. My hair is thriving, it's growing, I feel fine, I'm healthy, and I just think that honestly it's not bad, for me at least, it's not bad, and I haven't had any reaction to it. I haven't had any like breakouts or allergic reactions and things like that. I have been totally fine using it for years and years and years. I even read what EcoSolor gel had to say about the TEA ingredient that everybody's so concerned about, and it's a cosmetic grade, it's not unhealthy, and it's not hazardous. It won't kill us. So I believe them. I'm sticking to my EcoSolor gel. I actually don't use it like frequently anyway, so if I stopped using it, it wouldn't be much of a big deal. I use it more so for like edge control and things like that, but I don't think it's harmful in my opinion. Not canceling it, it's staying with me, and I have like tons of jars that need to be used, so they will be they will be used. Of course, we have our own opinions, and if you are canceling it, it's totally okay. We all have our own personal reasons of why we don't like to use certain stuff, so I'm not judging y'all. Y'all don't judge me, and we're good. But let's go ahead and just get right into the 5 products that are a little bit healthier that you can use for a gel. So first up is an oldie but a goodie. Actually, majority of these are oldies but goodies. This one here is the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. This has been one of my like favorite gels for forever, and it's so balmy. Like, it gives such a great hold. I haven't used it in a while, and I don't know why, because it's such a good gel. I used to use it 24/7, and my curls, my wash and goes would always last all week long. It would like get rid of frizz. It would just last through even humid weather, and my curls would just like flourish. So I'm going back to it. I just bought a new jar actually because I want to go back to using it since it's so good, and it is curly girl friendly. It's healthy, or I guess it just has really good healthy ingredients. It's really slippery, so you have to be careful when applying it because it can get messy. But the good thing about it being slippery is that it's super duper easy to detangle your hair using this product. So y'all, like, between this along with the Kinky Curly leave-in conditioner, y'all, your hair is gonna be popping. Like, trust me, believe me, it's really good. It's expensive. It's like $18, I believe. So it's kind of expensive, but it does go a very long way. All right, next up we have one of my holy grails. This is the Camaros Naturals Curl Maker. Y'all, this stuff is so good and it smells so good. Like, I love it. It's almost identical, honestly, to the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. It has like very similar smells to me at least, and it has very similar texture. This one also has a lot of slip. It has great ingredients, very natural ingredients. It's expensive. It's $22, but like the Kinky Curly Curling Custard, this one does last you a very long time as well, because a little bit does go a long way. I just started using mine again, and I've been using mine now for a few months, and I've only have this much gone. So it'll go pretty far, honestly, and it's just, y'all, it's so amazing. Like, my curls are always super moisturized, super shiny, and it has a really great hold. It's not as strong of a hold as the Kinky Curling Custard, but it still does have a pretty good hold. So this was definitely on my top 5 favorite gels. I actually use all these for wash and goes more than the EcoSolid gel anyways, so yeah, definitely my top 5. So the next 2 are from the brand Miele Organics. You guys know that I love Miele Organics products. So 2 of my favorite gels, like in life, are the Miele Organics Honey and Ginger Styling Gel and the Miele Organics Pomegranate and Honey Curling Custard. These are both so good. This one is newer, but they both give an amazing hold. They both have great slip, easy to detangle, and it just gives your hair really great hold. And my curls will usually last at least 5 days whenever I use either of these. They have great ingredients, very natural ingredients. They smell amazing. And the good thing about this is that these aren't super expensive. They're definitely less expensive than the Kinky Curling Custard and the Curl Makers. So less expensive. This is sold at pretty much every store, Target, Walmart, convenience stores, CVS, Walgreens, all that stuff. This one is more so in like Sally's, I believe, and then like of course on their website. But no matter what, these are both really great products and definitely in my top list. I would definitely recommend these 2 products. Miele Organics always gets it right, and they definitely got it right with these 2 gels here. And last but not least is one of my favorites. I use this more so for like twist outs, but it's still a really good gel and it has amazing hold. It is the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel. A lot of words, but it's really good. It smells really great. It's like very liquidy, it's gold, really pretty to look at, but it has amazing slip as well, and it gives such a great hold, y'all. Like, all the gels that I'm mentioning have such a great hold that are very comparable, in my opinion, to EcoSolid gel. So you won't have any problem with in the hold department, because these will all give you great holds. I got mine from Sally's during a sale, and I have already used like half of the jar up. But yeah, it's so good, and it definitely helps with minimizing breakage and keeping your hair feeling super moisturized and your ends from breaking off and things like that. So I love it. It is kind of expensive. I mean, you guys, you get what you pay for. Like, as y'all can see, these are much more expensive than EcoSolid gel, which is like $3, $5 at beauty supply stores. These are like $10, $20, even like $30. So you get what you pay for. Natural ingredients means, of course, it's more expensive and things like that. So just keep that in mind. That's why I'm not canceling EcoSolid gel, because it is so cheap and it works great for my hair. I don't have any complaints using it, but I also do love to use more healthier and natural ingredients and things like that in products that have all that in one. So I kind of rotate between cheap products and more expensive, more natural products. But in the end, of course, it all depends on your hair, what your hair likes, how you react to those products. So just make a decision for yourself. Just trust your instinct, trust your gut, see what works for you, and you will be a-okay. But I hope you guys did enjoy me sharing with you all some of my other favorite gels that are much more healthier, much more natural, great quality products that you can pretty much get anywhere. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video, found it helpful. If y'all have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below. And of course, I'll be happy to answer your questions. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you guys don't miss any more videos. As always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.